Calling out all roofers. Today we're going to show you a little demonstration of the liquid rubber waterproof sealant and the rapid cure spray. So we've got a rain head here that's known for holding moisture and rusting out. We've got a brand new one here where it's been cut. There's all raw metal, hot rivets. We're going to show you how easy it is to use the liquid rubber DIY waterproof sealant paired with the rapid cure spray. So you want to slop it all around. The smoother you can get it, the better it's going to be. And you want to use shade to your advantage. So if you're in the sun, direct sunlight, you've got to work a bit quicker. You can do as many coats as you like. Thicker the better. And then you can paint down into the dropper. So we're going to just leave that for a few minutes just to let it self-level and all the thick bits fall into place, and then we're going to hit it with the rapid cure spray once we take the tape off. Okay, so we've allowed it to self-level and do its running. Now we're going to peel the tape off while the liquid rubber is still wet. Okay, now we're going to apply the liquid rubber rapid cure spray. Now, as you can see, if you touch it, it doesn't come off, and it's helping it fully cure out. As soon as the rapid cure spray's evaporated, after a couple of hours, then you can apply a second coat, third coat, and so on. All right, we're just going to show you applying second coat. Okay, so we've applied the second heavy coat. Now we're going to remove the tape again while it's wet. Then we're going to apply the rapid cure spray. Okay, that's after a couple of minutes. We'll be back in an hour or so to give it another coat. Now I've got a sample here, a dry sample. And as you can see, this is what we've just put in there. Has memory. It'll go back, so that's going to expand and contract, as you can see. And then it'll go back to the same size.